This is Matt, and this will be a quick, straightforward video on how to add a film to your watch list on Letterboxd. So lots of different ways to do this to actually find a film, but I'm right here on letterboxd.com on desktop, just on the main page here. So great way to find new films, what is popular with your friends right here. There's some different sections here. They sort of highlight new stuff that's going on the site. You might come across a film in lots of different ways, but I'm just showing you one way that you can do it. So let's click popular with friends. That opens a whole bunch of films that are quite popular with friends of mine on Letterboxd right now. I will click on this film right here, which is 28 Years Later, The Bone Temple. Haven't got it on my watch list right now, so what you can do, you come over to this sidebar right here, and we have this watch list and this little plus icon, which is clearly saying it's stick on the watch list. So we're going to click on that one, and just like that, we see that the film was added to your watch list, and you can remove it by clicking again. So there, it's been added, and you can remove it if you want to. You can also check out your watch list by clicking on that icon. I only got one film on watch list, I don't really use it, but if you want to use your watch list, that is how you will do it. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like